Alright, we're on Granny. I'm gonna put on Granny with grenades and Grandpa with shotgun. Yeah, alright. We're starting it up. Dang, bro, my screen is so dusty, bro. I need to clean it. It just be closed all day. Not gonna lie. Just be closed until I actually open it up once a day. Maybe once a week, give or take. Dang, bro! I think I murdered first thing. How'd she even know I was there? She just snapped her head back on 360 and just murdered me. Gramps ain't even see me. Alright, time to try that again. This time we're gonna wait. Yes. What?
I'm hungry.
Where? Dang, this wasn't even loaded, bro. Gramps, you fell off. Crowbar. Door handle. You need a weapon key to get this? Granny, bro. Granny. I have a grand total of a crowbar. And a glass fuse. And a spark plug. I'm gonna get this crowbar. In there, this should either be the pliers or a weapon key. Up there, probably the padlock key, hopefully.
I'm hungry.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Yo, did she just shake her head in disappointment, bro? Alright, clearly I'm not advanced enough for Granny with grenade and Grandpa with shotgun. Mostly because Granny keep cheating, bro. Like, oh my gosh. Dang, why am I checking every corner?
Granny.
Perfect. Stop tweaking, Granny.
Here you are.
Gramps, you're not getting me. Give me this!
I see you.
Where's security key? Where's the security key? Hold up, what seat is this? 5, bro? Oh, so I know what a rookie is. Gramps ain't got his range anymore, ha ha. Okay, yeah, this is a gas can. Oh wait, I think I know. Okay, this is the seat I played on yesterday. Yeah, 11 keys in here. ammo! Yo, stop waving your arm around, bro. You're trying to block my shot or something? Me up here, bro. I'm scared. Alright, both in here. Padlocky's in there. Now, where was the pliers? Okay, well, I'm gonna open this. Oh wait, pliers downstairs, okay. I got the photo shoot yesterday, but I screened. You tweaking, bro? No. Alright. Yo, good thing I checked the C. Now I know where everything is. Holy bazookas. Wait. Come on, Gramps, get shot. There's no way. Gramps, I just shot your wife. Where are you? Gramps, I knew you ain't like her, but dang, bro.
I see you.
no way, bro. Granny's literally cheating. She's cheating. I'm cooked, bro. Just put it in, bro. He really got the shotgun because I died. Holy hacks, Gramps, you ain't even earned that for real. Nah, give me this.
You can't not hide. I see you.
I'm locked in, bro. Oh my gosh! It's what? They're cheating! Yo! Okay, bro. I'm just gonna upload this raw footage, not gonna lie.